Welcome back to today's episode. What we're going to do is going to upgrade the air intake system from the 25 to the 26. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do, we're going to remove the radiator cover. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 clips. I'm going to save the sticker, remove it carefully, and put on the new one. In my case, I have the GR air intake, and as you guys can see, there's this little piece that connects the duct with the air intake. So there's no gap, and air flows right directly into the air intake. You guys want to see this in more detail? It's pretty simple. Just goes right here. Now we're going to proceed and remove the bracket for the air cleaner. For this part you need a 10mm, and what you're going to do is just to remove the bolts. They're not that tight. That's pretty straightforward procedure that you're going to do. And you can see I have to leave barely the box in order to get access to it. So we're going to reuse the rubbers over here. All you have to do is just push from here from back, and that's it. In my case, I have to use the the air cleaner bracket. For some models, for some 25, get the latest 25. You don't have to. Like I mentioned before, my 25, they have this bracket, and I need this bracket because when we're gonna put the air cleaner, it has to match. So we can go ahead and place our clips. I'm gonna go right there. First thing I'm gonna do, I remove these roller washers from the previous one. I'm gonna put this back in. Gently push. No big deal. And this is the air cleaner inlet. I'm gonna go ahead and proceed. Open this up. Well, in my case, I already did this part. I removed this piece of rubber that goes on top. I use a pry tool, and also I use a heat gun. So that way you don't damage the little tablets that you have inside. This one, and the reason that I did it is because on my case, because of the GR air intake, This one is gonna go just like this. It's gonna get in the way. If you have the stock air intake, you don't have to remove it because it's gonna go on top of this and be perfectly fine. We have the air cleaner perfectly aligned. Now I'm going to proceed and place the clips all the way down there. 1 and 2. And we have the clips placed right there. And this is already recovered. That's the part number right there. Let's go ahead and open it. And I'm going to remove this sticker and hopefully I can use it on the other one. And this is the inlet air cleaner. It's only pretty much a cover for this area. So we have the before. This took me like around maybe 10 minutes, could be less. And this is the after. Thank you. I hope you guys find this video useful, and I'll see you next time.